Okay, just realizing we didn't have audio there. Sorry about that. But we are back now with audio. And again, we are going to continue the severe thunderstorm warning for Sevier County and Pigeon Forge areas. So let me do a little reset again since we didn't have any audio there. So we're going to start off here in south. We'll start in southwest Virginia and go kind of to the south to the more severe weather that's going on. So this area here of rain could be producing up to 40 miles an hour winds for area south of which Richlands and Tazewell County, far northwest, Smith County up toward Withville. This area of heavy rain now riding the I-81 corridor, pushing southeast, northeast Sullivan, parts of Johnson County, Shady Valley, Mountain City, and southeast Washington County toward Meadowview and Damascus, Conorock, and then probably even western Grayson County toward White Top. We need to be on alert for that. Let's go down the south. This is where the most urgent weather is going on. Severe thunderstorm warnings lining the Smokies now from all the way down near Cleveland, Tennessee, up to Newport, and then here along the western North Carolina, along the Tennessee-North Carolina border, southern Madison County, including those Graham, Swain counties as well. But it's these storms here that we're really paying close attention to. They're made an 84 and 5-mile-an-hour wind gust at Knoxville Airport here from the National Weather Service. They did confirm that. And these storms have just moved through Spearville. They're moving through Pigeon Forge right now. Here in Gatlinburg, we want to go ahead and get near that safe place, even though we are not in a tornado warning situation. These winds are very strong, up to 70 miles an hour. Now, according to the National Weather Service, what these storms can be producing. So again, you want to have these winds. You want to be inside when these winds hit. We'll go to radar full screen, and the brighter colors indicate stronger winds. It could be happening out toward Tellico Plains up to Robbinsville. But again, do not discount this area near Walland, pushing to Townsend and Gatlinburg. These storms are moving to the east at 55 miles an hour. So we'll do the best we can here to put you a storm track on it. You make us get into the linear mode of FirstWARN storm track here. And we're going to track it out here. And we'll see if it worked. I don't know if it did. But again, areas here, this did work. Near Tremont at 5:30, Elkmont at 5:36, Starkeytown at 5:39, Gatlinburg, downtown Gatlinburg at 5:43. The severe thunderstorm warning expires at 5:45. These two northern ones in East Tennessee too. The southern one just east of Cleveland, including Polk, Bradley County. That one goes until 6 o'clock, and this one up here, for a good part of western North Carolina, it goes until 6:15. That does include southern Madison County. So a lot of areas being impacted by severe weather right now. Here, Cotton County South, and then Madison County South in western North Carolina. So we want to give you a quick update. Again, these winds could be gusting up to 70 miles an hour within these storms. We'll zoom back in quickly and show you the high-res velocity imagery. We'll wait for one more radar scan to see if it looks like these winds calm down, but not sure if it's going to because of how these storms, how the wind energy aloft is doing. These storms don't need a lot, really showers. They don't need a lot of instability, but they do. All they need is that wind energy. With as much wind energy in our atmosphere today, we do have wind advisories for non-thunderstorm winds in the valleys, high wind warnings for the Smokies, and also for parts of western North Carolina and Grayson County and southwest Virginia. We'll zoom out. We'll give a regional view of this real quick on our reflectivity. Your rain mode, we got rain pushing now southeast of the I-81 corridor, the heaviest band of rain in southwest Virginia, about to push into its far northeast Sullivan County and to Johnson County across 421. Parts of southeast there, I believe that would be Smith County, western Grayson County, up into parts of Ashland, Watauga County. We'll need to be on alert for that. And then some more lighter rain stretching down toward the Johnson City area, toward Greenville. And then the heavier storms come in once you get to Cotton County, down to Sevier County, down to Blount County, Knox County, totally taken out of this threat now, and then down to the south. We'll continue to have the latest updates for you on the air, and also with new posts. But again, these storms down here from Newport all the way down to Cleveland, pushing into western North Carolina, could be packing a punch with winds potentially up to 70 miles an hour. So you want to be indoors, and actually we're going to stay right here. We just got a new strong thunderstorm alert from the National Weather Service. This is for Washington. This is for winds up to 55 miles an hour. Okay. We're going to stick here for just a moment because this does include parts of southwest Virginia and northeast Tennessee. This cell here. Let's see what the Weather Service is saying about this cell here once I can get the text up, and they are seeing what I'm seeing. So they're seeing some stronger winds within this cell and for parts of northeast Sullivan, northern Johnson, and a good part of Washington County, especially Bristol east and southwest Virginia. They're saying Doppler radar is tracking a strong thunderstorm near Abingdon. It's moving to the east at 60 miles an hour, wind of 50, I guess to 50 to 55 miles an hour would be possible within this storm. So again, let's go to our velocity imagery on this. We will show you what we have on velocity. We're noting, yes, these brighter colors indicating those stronger wind gusts in this storm. Let's switch over to the Blacksburg radar. I think Morristown will give us a better view here. Let's go down the south. We might have a little bit of broad rotation trying to develop. I noticed that. I want to see if that persisted. Let me check that on a couple other of our sources because I believe that's more straight line, but I'm not. But we'll watch it. We're going to watch this here near the Pittman Center closely to see if that continues to develop. And if so, we'll let you know. But again, these storms basically from exit 7 in Bristol east all the way up to the Smith County line, includes northern Johnson County north of Mountain City and parts of northeast Sullivan County, basically Holston Valley north and east. Highway 421 between Holston Valley and Shady Valley, Mountain City is included within this. So again, we'll continue to keep you updated on these storms. And if any more warnings are issued or we have any more significant updates, we'll come back on the air. But for now, this has been a FirstWARN Tri-City Severe Weather Alert here on all of our platforms. We'll go off the air, and if we need to, we'll come back with more